In this video, I tour a budget-friendly Transit Connect built for part-time travel. Gale built this piece by piece in her home, bringing pieces out to fit and back and forth until built. And instead of a house battery, she uses the van's battery to power everything on 12 volt. While I don't think that's sustainable for full-time use, it works great for her part-time travel. And just a quick reminder, if you like this video, it really helps others find it if you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
I'm Gale Bauman, and this is my van. It's a Ford Transit Connect 2012. It's a used model that I bought pretty reasonably. And the build that I did cost about maybe $600, and that includes the windows that I put in also. Yeah, this is a counter that I made out of several boards. I glued them together with clamps, and then I did a stain on them and sanded some of it off to create a pattern. And then so I could work a little bit on here, like with a laptop or something, and then I put these these plugs in to run any devices. I built this upper cabinet for extra storage. It's basically sanded plywood, and then I bought these support hinges and put those up so it stays up fairly well. And I put some 12-volt electric LED lights in, and then that just is a little bit extra storage. This is also a cabinet too that's for some food items and stuff up here. And there's lights in there also. I build things as lightweight as possible. And then I also put LED lights in and also added switches. Otherwise, these would have stayed on all the time. So I put switches on everything pretty much. I watched a lot of different YouTube channels that helped me. I also had some prior skills with carpentry and repairs, so that helped a lot too. So I worked maybe 4 hours a day on it. Not every day, but maybe about a couple months. And then the sink is basically just a 3-gallon jug underneath the sink, and then just a hand pump for this.
Nice.
So that's pretty basic. And soap dispenser and propane stove. And I also put these windows in. It didn't have windows, so I added windows on each side for ventilation. There wasn't a lot of ventilation in here, so. And then also this fan on top, which is a 3-speed fan, and that helps a lot. And I also added a television that I hook up. It's all hooked up to my car battery. There's no solar, it's just wired into the fuse box. And then I built the bed with some storage underneath. And I also added lights underneath there. It's pretty basic. I have a cooler under there, portable toilet, and just some storage area. And the bed's just basically with slats. That supports it really well, and then it's still really lightweight. It's not very heavy. And these are just some storage boxes I built to put stuff in so it wouldn't go everywhere. I also have an extra fan here. Basically just storage, and this is the propane tank for the stove. So I just have the small one. I didn't want a big one in here. And then I have some utensils that are in. pots and pans and stuff. Yeah, the shower's pretty basic. It's just, this is the pump, which goes into like a bucket of water, and then you can just put it up here. Like that. What pumps the water. And I wired it also into the battery. So, pretty basic, but works pretty well.
I just love that Gale built out her budget-friendly adventure van to suit her needs and get her where she wants to go. If you're wanting to get on the road, I hope you find inspiration from women like Gale who are out there making it work. If you liked this video, please share it. And if you'd like to see more van and rig tours, van life tips, and other information to help women get on the road, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you're a woman who would like to join in deeper conversation, join our Facebook group, Gal Adventurers, where I organize our weekly Nomadic Women's Virtual Happy Hour every Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific. This is Joni with the Galavan. Enjoy your journey.